know it's so important because if you're not getting a good night's rest, you're not going to heal properly. You need proper rest for your body to heal. So very important, this topic today. And one of the first things I recommend to patients is just getting a good night's sleep. So the importance of a good sleep is understanding how sleep affects your overall health and your well-being. We want to talk about that today. The connection between the spinal health and sleep, discover how misalignments can impact your sleep quality. We're going to talk about chiropractic techniques for better sleep, learn about spinal adjustments, postural exercises, and lifestyle advice to improve sleep. We're going to talk about the benefits of using a massage gun or products like magnesium today and what they can do to help you. So again, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to try to keep this webinar to about 20 to 30 minutes. My name is Dr. Cary Yurkiw. I've been a chiropractor for 30 years now. I practice here in Kelowna at Tut Street Family Chiropractic. And I opened my own clinic here in Kelowna about a year ago. We are accepting new clients, and I have 30 years of experience in chiropractic. Originally from Winnipeg, I was in Penticton for 10 years, and then we moved to Kelowna. About 5 years ago, I was in a group practice, and now I have my own clinic. So the importance of good sleep. Why is adequate sleep important? Because what it does is it resets your brain and your body. It allows the chemicals to reset, the rhythm, the circadian rhythm in your body, changes your mood, your brain function, and your physical health. So very important if you're in pain or once you get out of pain to have a good night's sleep. Regrettably, numerous individuals face sleep disturbances that can impact their quality of life. Some of these are due to pain and discomfort, but others are due to maybe environmental factors. We're going to talk about that today, aging, that type of thing. So the connection between spinal health and sleep, what is that connection? Well, your spinal health significantly impacts your overall well-being, including the quality of your sleep. Spinal misalignments, referred to as subluxations, can result in discomfort, pain, and disruptions in the sleep pattern. Seeking chiropractic care to address these issues can enhance your spinal health and in turn enhance your quality of sleep. The nervous system is a large group of nerves that control the body's function. And when you have pressure on the nerves, you're going to get pain, but also it's going to affect the signal transmission. And of course, your brain has to tune into that, and that's going to affect your ability to rest, And when people are moving during the day, the movement receptors in the body, the mechanoreceptors, are active, and these mechanoreceptors can kind of block the pain. But then when you're not moving, you do feel the pain more, and that can really affect sleep. What are some chiropractic techniques that we can do for better sleep? Well, spinal adjustments, realigning the vertebrae to reduce nerve interference and improve overall function of the body, can really help you to rest. Postural exercises like strengthening the muscles that support your spine and prevent future misalignments can help you to sleep better on a daily basis. And then lifestyle advice, offering guidance on sleeping positions, ergonomic practices, and daily habits to support spinal health. Now, we won't be able to cover all of that today at the webinar. We will have a masterclass coming up on Saturday if you want to join us, that'll dig deeper. We'll do a deep dive into this topic. But for today, I'm just getting into comfortable sleep positions. Like if you have pain on the left side of your neck, generally sleeping on your right side or on your back is better than sleeping on the painful side, or face down on your stomach. That's not a good idea. If you have pain in your low back on the right side, then sleeping on the left side can be helpful, or on your back with a couple pillows underneath your knees. That'll just support the legs, take the pressure off the back, can make a big difference. Also, your posture at work, maybe sitting at a desk like this one. I'm using a standing desk today, can change positions. that can really help you to take some pressure off your joints, and then lead to more rest when you go home. Your body's not in so much pain or so stressed out. Or even things like your mattress or your pillow. Very important to have the right kind of support, curvatures to support the curvatures of the spine. Very important for your pillows and the alignment of your neck and back. So the benefits of better sleep include pain reduction with chiropractic care. So alleviating neck and back pain can help with the disruption of your sleep, enhance relaxation. Promoting relaxation and reducing stress levels makes falling asleep a lot easier. And then improved overall health, supporting your body's natural healing process by ensuring adequate rest. So that's very important too, if you want to get a good night's sleep, that you're comfortable in a comfortable position and you don't have any pinched nerves. Here's some other tips for you for a better night's sleep. You want to establish a consistent sleep schedule. So go to bed and wake up the same time every day, even on the weekends, to regulate your body's internal clock. We were talking about that circadian rhythm earlier. Just want to make sure that your brain has that expectation of shutting down at a certain time, that you're going to wake up at a certain time, and you're not disrupting that pattern. Create a relaxation bedtime routine. Develop calming pre-sleep habits such as reading, taking a warm bath, practicing meditation to signal that your body is time to wind down. Optimize your sleep environment. Ensure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. Use blackout curtains, earplugs, or white noise machines to minimize disturbances. Limit screen time before bed. And this is a big one I find, for my patients, or even people that have been coming for quite some time, is just eliminating that distraction of the phone. If you're on your phone, it can really affect your body's ability to produce melatonin, and it's because the retina is getting stimulated from the light. So you want to get into that dark, cool environment. What happens is the retina kind of shuts down, it doesn't get a lot of stimulation, the brain's melatonin starts to be produced, and then it starts to cascade into you feeling tired and sleepy, being able to fall asleep fairly quickly. And the time frame that's recommended is, I say, usually 30 to 60 minutes before bed. You want to eliminate those flashing lights, TVs, tablets, phones, too much of that blue light exposure. So we really want to wind things down 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. You can also use tools like the Watney massage gun, and that's this gun right here that we have in the clinic. The massage gun's great because you have these different attachments that can go onto the massage gun, and then very easy to use to massage certain muscles in your body just to relax them so that you feel a lot better. And you can use this on your neck, you can use this on the back. This massage gun is excellent. It's really well made. We sell it in the clinic, and it can help you to feel better, especially if you're massaging the muscles, before bed. I do that sometimes for myself. If I go for a long run, you guys might know I'm a runner. If I do a long run and then that night my muscles are sore, taking good care of them, Epsom salt bath with magnesium in it, that can be very helpful to relax the muscles, but also doing the massage gun on your hamstrings, on the back muscles, the shoulders, whichever areas are very tight, can really help. And the Watney is a massage gun that we use because a patient told me about this a couple of years ago, how great it was. And I looked into it. I looked at the different types of massage instruments, decided to buy this one, and it is rechargeable. It lasts a long time. It's powerful, and yet it can be very gentle. So there's 20 different speeds, and it can really help in small areas too, because of the different attachments you can put onto the massage gun. You can be very specific in a small area, or you can go over a larger area, like with the ball that I showed you today. And massaging the muscles can be very beneficial in conjunction with chiropractic adjustments, just to relieve the stress and the tension in the body. Another product that I like is this Sisu Magnesium 250. And the reason that I like this product is it really helps to promote relaxation. It helps with the negative effects of stress and improves sleep quality. And this is what it looks like right here. The Magnesium 250 product. It's biglycinate and citrate. I like this grapefruit flavor. It's one of the more popular ones. It tastes good, whereas some of the magnesium supplements on the market are pretty chalky and they don't taste very good. It does help, and it relaxes the muscles and helps people to sleep. And it has some other products in this one, like L-theanine and GABA, which are precursors and neurotransmitters in the brain, which can really help the brain to replenish the ingredients it needs to work properly. So I find not only does it relax the body, but it also helps the brain, kind of bathes the brain in the right ingredients it needs to function properly. It also helps. Magnesium is an essential mineral that protects your heart and your arteries. It also helps with your muscular and nervous systems, and it's natural. So I really like that, and I trust the brand Sisu. It's a very good brand. I've used a number of their products. We carry other products in the clinic too, but for magnesium, I find this is the best product that the patients can use. Now, do you have any questions? I'm wondering if you have questions about sleep. Like I said, we'll do a deep dive on this on Saturday at 12 noon. We'll do a master class in sleep. But today what I went over was the importance of good sleep, understanding how sleep affects your overall health and your well-being. I talked about the connection between spinal health and sleep, how spinal misalignments can affect your sleep quality. I talked about different techniques we use in the clinic, like spinal adjustments, giving patient postural exercises and lifestyle advice to improve sleep. We did talk about the massage gun, the Watney massage gun, as well as magnesium and how that can help. Some patients take melatonin, an external source, although it's debatable whether that is good long term. Some studies have come out recently just saying it can affect the hormone production in the body. I have taken melatonin myself, but only when I'm having really difficult time sleeping. So extenuating circumstances, when you do need a good night's sleep and you know you're not going to get one, that could be a good time to take melatonin, but I wouldn't rely on it on a regular basis. For some real life success stories that chiropractic has helped with people in relaxation, you can go to my Google reviews, you can go to RateMD's, or even Facebook, and you can see some of the reviews of patients that have come into the clinic and been helped with chiropractic care. Just going to switch over to YouTube, see if there's any questions. If you do have a question, you could type it in the chat. And if you're on Instagram, you can type it in the comments. I'll be watching the comments. But we will have a masterclass coming up on Saturday at 12 noon. Tickets are available right now on Eventbrite. So if you're thinking of participating, you want to ask specific questions, we're going to be doing that via Zoom. So it gives people an opportunity to participate. We won't be on YouTube Live for that event. So you can go to Eventbrite. There's some early bird tickets available right now too. And those early bird tickets are good until tomorrow. So you get a bit of a discount if you sign up for that masterclass. And that's going to be on Eventbrite. So if you go to our website, you can go to the events page, and then it'll take you over to Eventbrite where the tickets are being sold for that. And the ticket sales are going until Friday at 6 p.m. for the Saturday masterclass. For more details about webinars and masterclasses, we usually schedule about 2 months in advance. Again, you can go to our website, touchstreetfamilychiropractic.com. You can click on the events tab. You'll see the upcoming events. For the masterclasses, usually they're on the same topics and a few days after the webinar that we put on. We do have mastermind groups starting now, and one-on-one group and personal coaching services for people that want more help and just to improve their health in general. So if you want to join our mastermind group, go to our website, sign up for our newsletter. You'll get reminders of when the openings are for the mastermind group and the group coaching. If you're interested in becoming a new patient, we are accepting new patients without a doctor referral, and we do bill directly to insurance, and we're open 7 days a week. So it's very convenient hours here in Kelowna at Tut Street Family Chiropractic. If you're not in the Kelowna area, you do want some coaching, go to the consulting site we have called True North, and there'll be links, and I'll show you a slide in a minute. There'll be links in the show notes and in the bio, and then you can stay in touch with us. You can attend webinars. You can join some of the group coaching that we have to offer at True North. Here's the masterclass. You'll see this slide or title when you go to Eventbrite, so watch for that. You can sign up for that on Eventbrite. Here's our contact info at the clinic. It's tutstreetfamilychiropractic.com. Our email address, info@tutstreetfamilychiropractic.com, and our phone number here in Kelowna, 250-486-0062. You can call or message us at that number to book an appointment. And then if you're not in the Kelowna area, go to trueexpert.pro. The email address, info@trueexpert.pro, and the phone number 778-215-9310. That's for the coaching website where we do the health coaching and consultations for people that can't come into the clinic. I want to thank you very much for joining me today. It was a pleasure talking about sleep. It's something that I've done a lot of research on, talked to my patients about, focused on it myself. I know how important it is. So I hope to see you at a future webinar, one of our group sessions, or in the clinic soon.